Good morning. It's Thursday, and this is the last day of the week that you guys are going to have lessons until next week, until next Tuesday. So well done. You have almost arrived. Okay. Today you had a math lesson 103, and you are actually watching a lesson online by the teacher that you watched the other day. She had it online already, and so I put it on there. It looked like it was a little long. Watch until you have understanding, and then you can get to those 30 problems. In English today, we are on page 55, classifying and doing examples 1, 2, and 3. I'm about to go through the classifying with you. Spelling, you have a test today. Vocab, you're looking at the rest of the words from that unit, words 6 through 12. And in reading, you are doing page 14 for Love That Dog, and writing some more who, what, when, where, why poems. And so you want to get that finished up before next week so that we can begin the next poem that we are going to be covering. So if you will get out your English, we're going to go on and classify sentences together. And I want to make sure I do the same ones that are in your book, because sometimes my book, as you know, adds an extra sentence. So you have 4, and I have 4. And so here we go. So grab your pencils. Actually go on and just listen to me do it this time. No. Grab your pencils. Grab your pencils, because I'm not going to say the words. I'm not going to do it. I try to every time. I end up saying the words, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to say the questions, and you're going to put the abbreviations over the words. All right, here we go. So the first sentence is, the huge black engine is an antique. Okay? What is an antique? What is being said about engine? Engine is what? Does antique mean the same thing as engine? Antique is a, go back to your verb and make it a an. What kind of engine? What kind of engine? The. Now let's classify this sentence. Go to the beginning. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, nominative, pattern. 4. Go back to your verb. Make sure it is a. Check it. There are no prepositional phrases, so go to the end. Period, statement. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. You got it. Sentence 2. Look! That black cat crossed the road in front of me. What crossed the road in front of me? What is being said about cat? Cat crossed what? Verify the noun. Does road mean the same thing as cat? Road. Go back to the verb. Crossed. Make it a. The. In. In what? Of. Of whom? What kind of cat? Which cat? Look. All right, let's classify this sentence. Go to the beginning. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern. 2. Check your verb. Prepositional phrases around your 2 prepositional phrases. Exclamation point, strong feeling. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Well done. Sentence 3. The campers were easily frightened after dark. Who were easily frightened after dark? What is being said about campers? Frightened. Were. We're frightened how? After. After what?
What are you doing? Come on.
The. Let's classify the sentence. Subject, noun, verb, pattern. 1. Put parentheses around your prepositional phrase. Period, statement. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Last sentence, number 4. Leave me the keys to the car. Who leave me the keys to the car? What is being said about you? You leave what? Do keys mean the same thing as you? No. Keys. Go back to the verb. Make it a. You leave keys for whom? To. To what? The. Now go to the beginning and classify your sentence. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern. 3. Check your verb. Put parentheses around your prepositional phrase. Period. Command. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. And that's your classifying sentences today. Those are your classifying sentences today. I hope today you have a wonderful day. I know you have math and English. Everything else looks very light. I am so grateful for what this weekend represents. We are going to celebrate the resurrection, burial, and the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus. And so I hope you have some special time with your family to reflect on what our Savior did for us and what that means for us for all of eternity. So I'm praying for your families. I hope you have a wonderful break. Enjoy those 4 days. I'm going to enjoy them. And I will see you soon on Tuesday. We're going to Zoom at 1 today if you're free. Would love to see your face. Other than that, Miss Brown out. Make it a good one.